At Christmas time, Jamaicans love to eat something we call fruit cake, Christmas cake, aka black cake. We start off with cream in the butter and the sugar. But what's so different than creaming sugar and butter and adding in your eggs? It's the fruits, I tell you. Cherries, raisins, currants, prunes, soaking in rum and wine for years. Blended, then added into this mixture. Man, my, it smells so good. Then we add a little lime juice to balance out the eggs. Vanilla, mix it again. Lime zest to counteract the egg rawness. Cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, salt, nutmeg. Mix that together. Then we sift in our dry ingredients. We add in a lot of rum and fruit wine, breadcrumbs to give it that yummy texture. Then we add in a little browning. Don't put in too much. We do not want to make a black lean. We want it to be a browning. We mix it out good and then we pour it into our baking tins and we bake in the oven. And my, this is Jamaican Christmas cake. This is our tradition. We eat it every year at Christmas time. This is how we live and it is so delicious. It is one of the best cakes in the world. And in a stop there, so it's when the cake is finished baking, we pour over some rum and fruit wine. This smells like Christmas, cinnamon, nutmeg, rum, fruit wine, everything, just deliciousness in just one bite. Perfection. Welcome to Jamaica at Christmas time with our lovely fruit cake.